Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I let you proceed to watching the actual video, I wanted to let you know that this video was filmed last year after my birthday, but I just didn't get around to posting it. So here it is. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you soon. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Beth once again. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also click that notification bell so you will get notified every time I make a video. I really don't have a schedule for when I post videos, but just click that notification bell so you get notified if I do so. So in this video, I am going to share to you guys what I got as a gift for my birthday. I never got around to filming a video as to what I got. So here it is. I'm doing it right now and I want to share with you guys what I got. So I got a couple of things from my family and also I got myself a little gift. So I'll be showing that to you guys as well. So if you guys are interested as to what I got for my birthday, I know it's not a lot, but if you guys are curious what I got, stay tuned and watch. So first off, I'm gonna show you guys what I got for myself. Here it is. I got it online and they shipped it to me in this box. Took out all the labels and stuff. I got this one when I saw that they had this. It was like something new that they had and I've been dying to open this one. Didn't even open it on my birthday, but I knew I was getting this. Here it is. It's from Louis Vuitton. I cannot wait to see how this actually looks. Here is the receipt and here are the return stuff. So now they put the return label with it. So that's the receipt and the item, you guys. So like I said earlier, I just got myself a little something. It's nothing big. Oh, I can't wait to open this up. I cannot wait to see how this actually looks in person. So I was browsing in Louis Vuitton and I was looking at something small and I saw that this was one of the new things that they had. And surprisingly, it was available. So there's probably not a lot of people buying it, I'm guessing. So here is the box and here is the item. No dust bag, just a tissue. It is a Bandeau, you guys. This is a new Bandeau that they came out with. Oops. So the tag was loose. It wasn't attached to it. It's just a Louis Vuitton tag that says 100% silk. Online, it looked very vibrant, but the color here is really not as vibrant as it's online. But I do love it. Almost looks like the colors are very washed out, if that even makes sense. So the brown is like a really light brown and the red is not bright, it's a little faded looking. So I love that. And weirdly enough, the Bandeau feels very stiff. Like, look at that. It looks very stiff. Like, unlike, I don't know. It's been a while since I got my last Bandeau, I think from the Jungle collection. But this one just feels so stiff, you guys. Like, look at that. And the crease is ridiculously bad. So you can see all throughout that crease from being folded. It really feels stiff, but I'm sure it will soften as you use it. So here is the tag, you guys, in case you guys are interested on getting the same design. The item code is M68647. M68647. So let me show you guys quickly the detail of the Bandeau. So like usual, there's Louis Vuitton in here. Weirdly enough, I don't know if this is like a flow or something, but the tag is covering the Louis Vuitton. And I don't even think, oh, so they are both in the two sides. So that is cool. I was thinking to myself, like, usually it only comes with one Louis Vuitton on one end, but now it comes on both. I was thinking to myself, I might need to take this out if this is the only Louis Vuitton print and then the tag is covering it. Oddly enough, it comes with two Louis Vuitton prints, so I guess I'm just gonna leave that tag on until it comes off. Let's start off here where there's the Louis Vuitton print that's being covered by this tag. And then there's the checkered design with the flowers and the monogram in the middle. So it's just the same thing all throughout. And then that orange side here. So on one side, it is the same. It's both orange at the tip, whereas on the other side, it is all red at the other end. So what they did was, where there is the red tip, they put the orange checkered boxes, and on the other side where there's that orange end, it has the red checkered boxes. That just goes through all throughout the bandeau. But you know what, guys, I think my favorite side is the one with the orange. I love that. It almost reminds me of the orange from the box, and also it's very close to the color of the caramel New Noe Jungle collection, which I have. So I'll have to see how this one would look, but if not, I can just use it with my other bags, especially with my reverse monogram Matisse. This would definitely go very well with it. So yeah, that was my little something that I got for myself. Let's go ahead and see what my family got me. So my kids wrote me these really cute cards that they made. I want them to be more creative and use whatever stuff that we have instead of buying this really pricey greeting cards that has a pre-written text. And I've also told that to my husband, like, it would be more meaningful if we made our own cards, put our own messages all throughout. So yeah, that's what we've been doing, and I got those from them. And my kids are so sweet. Like, they would try to find stuff that they have that they want to give it to me and stuff like that. So yeah, it's just the sweetest thing. And so let me show you guys what they got on top of those written cards and stuff that they have went through with their things and gave it to me. The first one that I got from them, of course, what is my birthday without a piglet? So this is the first time I'm seeing this, the Dorbs. I haven't actually opened this up. I've just been looking at it from the outside. So let me pull it out and let's all look at it together. The Dorbs. It almost looks like a Matryoshka doll. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but oh my gosh, that is the cutest thing ever. I wish it had like, just like the Matryoshka doll, where you can take out a lot of it in one piece. Oh, that is the cutest thing. I don't think this opens up. That is so cute, you guys. I don't know if this opens up or what, but I wish it does open up and opens up to more smaller piglets. But this is so adorable and so cute. I love it. It is my birthday or Christmas or any special occasion without a piglet. Yes. Another one for my collection. I hope they have more of these Dorbs piglet. Oh, look at that. Look how cute that is. The exact one that's inside. So I want to share with you guys one thing that I wanted to start as like a birthday tradition, at least my birthday tradition for the kids. So what I did this year was I wanted to give something to the kids so that instead of my birthday becoming a celebration of me, I wanted to celebrate them and thanking them for making my birthday more meaningful. I know my kids can be a handful, but I do want to celebrate them for making my birthday more meaningful and more special now that they are in my life. So what I did was I brought them to the bookstore on the day of my birthday and had them pick the books that they wanted. So my little one was able to find this sets of like Mickey books, small Mickey books. So that's what he got. And the middle one bought this Lego book magazine-ish. I think it was a book. And it came with a figure. So that's what he got. He picked Flash. That's what he was for Halloween. And my eldest one, he got like, I don't know. I didn't know that they made that. He bought it was like a storybook, but with Minecraft characters or something like that. But yeah, that was what he got. And I was so happy to at least make them happy and make them feel special on my birthday, that instead of them giving me a gift, I'm the one giving them a gift for making my birthday extra special. Last but not the least, you guys, is what my husband got me. So I did open this up already because I was so excited to see it. It came in an orange box, and so it's either Louis Vuitton or Hermes. And here it is. It is an Hermes item, you guys. The box looks really small, so you guys probably have an idea of what it is already. So here it is, and there's 2 dust bags inside, so that means it is a pair of something. So let me take them out first, out of the dust bag. Here is what I got, you guys. It is the prettiest Oran color, at least for me. I love pink. I have the pochette métis in the freesia color, and I feel like this is gonna match very well with it. So let me go ahead and get my pochette métis and see how they actually match. I'm sure you guys know already how an Oran sandal looks like. Oh my gosh, what is that? I didn't even see this when I was looking at it. So this is the first time I'm seeing this. What is it? Like an oil stain or something? Oh my gosh. But that's fine. It's just in the sole. It's eventually gonna get dirty when I actually start using it. So it's all good. So let me go ahead and get my pochette métis in the freesia and see how these actually match up with the color. So here is my freesia pochette métis, you guys. Let us see how they actually match up. So here is a luggage tag from one of the bags that they have. I'm not sure if they still sell the Lorette, but that's the pink tag. And here is the Oran sandals that I got for my birthday. It looks like it matches a little bit more with the bright pink from the luggage tag from the Lorette bag, whereas the freesia is slightly a little darker than this color. I think this color is the Azalee something. I can't remember. But regardless if they don't match very well, I cannot wait to actually use my freesia pochette métis with my Oran sandals. I am just so obsessed with the color of this one, you guys. It has that really rich, beautiful pink. I really love it. I also love that the leather is matte. Unlike the leather from the sole, you can see that there's a sheen. So yeah, that was it, you guys. Those were some of the things that I got for my birthday. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I cannot wait to actually try out that Bandeau and also start using this one with my pochette métis. I know I'll have to wait for when the weather is warm again. So that was it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye! I almost forgot to tell you guys what was the name of that Bandeau. For those of you who are curious what that Bandeau was, it is the Monogram check Bandeau as written in the receipt. And if you didn't catch item code, that was M68647.